In this video, we're going to cover the skill of multiplying by 10, 100, and 1000. With the problem 26 times 10, we can just plug in 26 into our place value chart. And then we know the pattern rule of multiplying by 10 just shifts over our place values one place to the left. So my 2 now goes to the hundreds, and my 6 now goes to the tens, leaving my ones open to fill in a blank of 0. So we have 260 as our answer. I want you to notice that pattern. 26 times 10 got us 260. Let's do another one, but this time multiply by 100. So again, I'm going to plug in 35, and we're going to multiply this by 100. If I was to break down 100, really that's just like saying times 10 times 10, which every time I multiply by 10, I shift over my digits. So if I'm doing times 10 times 10, I'm shifting over 2 times. So now my 3 goes from the tens place to the thousands place, and my 5 goes from the ones place to the hundreds place, leaving my tens and one spots open for those zeros. 35 times 100 is 3,500. Again, noticing the pattern. This time I multiplied by 100, and I added 2 zeros. Next, I'm going to do a times 1,000, which is really just times 10 times 10 times 10. So if I plug in my 72 and I multiply it by 10 3 times, which is 1,000, really I'm just shifting over 3 place values, adding in zeros into my blank spots, getting me an answer of 72,000. Now you might have noticed the pattern that however many zeros there are is how many zeros I add into my answer. And you're spot on. When we multiply by 10, 100, or 1,000, that's exactly what we're doing. I'm going to multiply 38 times 1 and just add 1 zero. Next I have 247 times 1, adding 2 zeros. Six times 1, adding 3 zeros, and so on. And then there's my pattern, and I'm easily able to multiply times 10, times 100, and times 1,000.